Night rain carves a voice into the canyon as the river swells. Every echo returns sharper.
Two rescuers track a blinking indicator across a narrowing ledge.
Above them, rock seams tick like a clock they cannot see.
Where the walls pinch tight, water writes in a faster hand. A wrong step becomes a lesson the river teaches quickly.
Strength without listening breaks. Strength with listening bends and saves. Tonight, they'll need both.
The island breathed in thunder. Its lungs are stone and flood. Help is already moving upstream.
Anchor's clean. Living root, smooth angle. The line can breathe.
Copy that. The pressure rise is steady, not spiking yet.
Shift on my count. Keep shoulders low to the wind.
Seam ahead. 2 safe steps, then a slick vein. Follow my boot prints.
If the rope starts to sing, pad the lip and change the pitch.
I'll baffle with cloth. Maintain the angle, no sudden jerks.
Breathe with the current, not against it. Let the pull pass.
Reading a whirl below. Keep to the right shoulder of the flow.
Eyes up, loose gravel. Weight wide, not stacked.
Crust is thin here. We'll ladder our steps and move on. Cross-strapped rising hands talk if the gust steals our words.
Understood. Signal open, close hold. I'll mirror your pace.
Dark mass left, jaw line. That's not driftwood. Hold the center. We redirect, not fight the water or the beast.
Let strength make space. We widen the path for what follows.
And let sound carry the message. Calm beats panic every time.
Pressure jump. Watch the eddy lip.
I see it. Skirt the edge. Don't argue with the flow. Heads low, eyes half. Let them read a quiet shape.
Copy. Folding heat signature, staying narrow and slow.
Stay on my hip. The switchback will hold if we don't bunch.
Spacing good. Last corner is slick, soft feet, steady hands.
Bats incoming. Heads low, eyes half. Follow the glove.
Copy. Folding down, keeping the line quiet.
Friction singing. Pad the lip. Change the angle now.
Cloth on, tension reset, staying on your cadence.
Pebbles ticking. Microslides starting left.
On 1, wide, shift, and clear.
Now on me. 2 steps wide. Breathe with the pull.
Angle corrected, lines quiet. Keep that cadence.
I'm on the ledge. 3 points of contact. Talk me through.
Your right is clean, clip high, pass the loop under the shoulder. Window now, 2 beats of quiet. Take the lift.
Got him. Wait to me. Breathe and keep eyes on the rock. Stay on my hip. The switchback will hold if we don't bunch.
Spacing good, last corner is slick. Soft feet, steady hands.
Dark mass returning, eddying behind the spur.
Hold center lane. Redirect. Stay patient. Stones talking. Pebbles to sand. Shift left.
Left it is. Hands open, head low, stay long.
Secure the payload. No loose edges to catch the current.
Latched and clean. Ready on your call.
Keep the spacing. Long steps breathe better in fast water.
Markers every 30 paces. If we double back, we will see them.
Seam opening. Expect a small release on the right.
Copy. No bunching. Eyes on footing. Keep it smooth. We're clear of the eddy. Center holds if we stay patient.
Flow's easing by a breath. Take the gentle line around the spur.
Hold here. Let the canyon breathe first.
Quiet window forming, 2 beats, then move.
They leave the pocket of calm for a corridor of noise.
On my count, wide weight. 3 steps to the rib.
Cross draft rising again.
Let him take the gust, stay in his shadow.
A spine of wood stitches cliff to cliff.
Looks alive but stable. Watch the moss sheen. We clip high and slide the anchor as we go.
I'll manage the slack, no snags on knots.
Soft knees, let the log breathe. 3 breaths across the middle section.
Angle's good. No singing on the line.
Keep shoulders quiet, eyes forward.
Weight chooses truth. Wood either yields or holds.
He's good. Stay paced with his breath.
Gust, drop center.
Low and long. Ride it through. 2 and anchor. Anchor ready. Bring them off clean.
Tail clear.
Bring the weight. No rush.
Gorge inhales once more.
Surge incoming. Hug the wall.
Wall on me.
Hold. Let it pass. Window after the first push.
Counting 2 beats, then move.
Stone keeps secrets when it sings.
Heads low. Single file.
Acoustic spike. Expect a louder echo.
We whisper and let the walls carry. Pad the lip, change the pitch.
Payload dry.
Keep it close to the wall.
Instinct draws maps faster than ink.
We'll take her line.
Dawn pushing through.
Good. Tempo up while it holds.
Strength decides nothing alone. Listening decides where strength belongs.
Cadence up, safe footing.
Copy. 30 paces to the spur. Marker holds.
Stay left of it. Repeat my pace. On your 4.
Crust is talking again.
Light feet. Don't argue. Find the snag. Line's clear.
Depth mid-calf.
We'll step where he steps.
Eyes on the far bank.
Far bank in sight.
The canyon saves its sharpest word for last.
Rockfall. Heads.
Big one!
Break right, then low.
Clear.
Move. Windows open.
Canyon loosens its grip.
Good ground. Reset posture. Shake out the legs. Left spur reads drier. Take it. Keep eyes on the low edge.
Strength that listens becomes a compass. Cut looks clean. Let's follow his lead.
Dawn's breaking.
Visibility's climbing. Tempo up slightly. We'll zig the higher stones. Zag the ripples.
Copy your steps. Load's tight, no sway.
Keep midline. Avoid the cloudy patches.
Light changes the equation.
Eyes up. Dry shelf within reach.
Call it here. 30 seconds to breathe.
Copy. Heart rate settling. Paths readable.
We take the long easy over the short risky.
Where stone ends, roots begin. We finish it in the trees. At clay will skate.
We ladder the steps. No sutter turns. Firm seam here. I see your line.
Touch, then move.
Gust on 3. Drop center. Ride it.
Carve steadiness from mud.
Use those prints. Step in the cups.
Grip's better.
Keep the cadence. Pat it. Tone's gone.
Friction returns like an old friend.
And we take the handshake.
Heart rate back to baseline.
Mark this spot. Good turnaround point.
Where stone ends, roots begin.
We finish out in the trees.
Noise floor just dropped.
Good. Radio will carry better.
Sealed clean.
We'll log condition once we're sheltered.
Language without words still lands.
I heard that. Thanks. Storm's moving east.
We exit west, tree line to the cove. Every exit is a lesson in what not to carry.
We leave the hurry here.
Footing's good.
Keep the breath long. That's our cove. Home stretch. The island holds what it almost took.
And we'll bring back what it taught. Sequence logged.
Speak. We'll walk others through it tomorrow.
Some nights ask for strength. The rest ask you to listen.
Signal's clean now.
Window's good, call it.
Patience stands bigger than muscle.
Copy. Placing the beacon high.
Angles clear to the sky.
Let it sing.
Let it sing.
Everything made it.
Then we did this right.
Signal reached the window.
Good. Log the wind in time.
Not all rescue is a lift. Sometimes it is a leaving.
We'll walk you to the reef line.
Tide's in our favor. Set smaller now, 3 count.
We cross between the second and third.
Water reads the body like script.
He's stable. Keep the middle depth.
The ledge. Narrator. Gratitude can be a language too. He wants the trees.
Wild returns to wild.
See you on the ridges.
Simple is teachable.
We'll train it like a reflex.
Freehold saved us time.
And noise control saved our footing.
Water speaks if we get quiet.
Next crew will hear it sooner.
Storms end. Their lessons keep walking.
We carry the quiet out.
Lean rig.
Ready for the next ridge.
Guardians don't always stay. Sometimes they simply hear.
Tide will clean our trail.
Let it. Small things tell big weather.
Drier by noon.
We'll map the South Spur next.
After rest and quiet.
Some nights ask for strength. Some mornings ask for gratitude.